Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a recovery environment and making sure critical files are backed up. Insert the Windows 10 USB recovery drive, then reboot and press the BIOS key to select USB boot. Once booted to the recovery menu, choose Troubleshoot then Advanced Options. This is where you begin targeted repair instead of guessing. Make sure to note any error codes displayed on the automatic repair screen because they guide the next steps. Now select Command, prompt to run specific repair commands. You'll now run a sequence of repair commands that fix disk and boot errors. First, run chkdsk/f/r to correct file system problems. This may take time depending on disk size. Once done, run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore the bootloader so Windows can start normally. After that, run sfc/scano, and if issues persist, use dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth to repair component store correct. Once repairs are complete, remove the USB and reboot to test a normal startup. You should see Windows load past the automatic repair loop. If the system still fails, go back into Recovery and try System, restore to a prior point, or choose Reset this PC while keeping your files. Make sure to monitor Smart Disk Health using a utility if problems recur, because persistent failures often indicate hardware issues. If you need further help, document error messages and smart values before seeking advanced support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.